Hey y'all, today I'm making cheesy sausage muffins. These are easy, filling, and perfect for breakfast or a quick grab and go meal. You'll need 1 roll of breakfast sausage. I'm using half regular, half hot for a little extra flavor. In a skillet over medium heat, brown your sausage. Stir as it cooks, breaking it up until it's nice and crumbly. Once it's fully cooked, drain off the excess grease and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, put 3 cups of Bisquick or homemade equivalent, 1 cup of shredded cheese, 1 can of cheddar cheese soup, 2/3 cup of water. Now add in your cooked sausage Stir everything together until well combined. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray a regular muffin tin thoroughly with baker's spray so the muffins don't stick. Spoon the sausage mixture evenly into the muffin cups. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or until the muffins are set and lightly golden on top. Let them cool just a few minutes, then remove them from the pan. These cheesy sausage muffins are warm, cheesy, full of flavor, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick snack. Let me know what your favorite breakfast recipe is. The recipe will be down in the description and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Also, links to my stores on Etsy, Walmart, as well as Amazon affiliates in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And as always, God bless.